story short, they say in college you find your real long-time friends. And I definitely found mine. Now, Rob, I just need to set some things straight real quick. So I'm gonna always have Ciara's side no matter what, obviously. So that means if she's mad at you, I'm mad at you. That means if she don't like you, I don't like you. That means if she needs to lie to you about anything, I'm gonna help her lie to you.
Marriage is a sacred institution, the basis of human society. It should be held in high honor among all men and women. Let us therefore reverently remember that God has established and sanctified marriage for the welfare and happiness of mankind. Who giveth this woman to be married?
I do. I'd rather take thee, Ciara, to be my wedded wife. I do promise and covenant before God and these witnesses to be your lovely and faithful husband, in plenty and in want, in joy and in sorrow, in sickness and in health, as long as we both shall live.
By the authority invested in me as the minister of Jesus Christ, I now declare Robert and Ciara, husband and wife. What God has joined together in marriage, let no man try to dissolve.
When I'm with you, there is no confusion. That we are as good as it gets. My heartbeat is out of my chest. I think you're just what I need. My heartbeat is out of my chest. You were as real as it gets. My heartbeat is out of my chest.